Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everybody there who is listening to me right now. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, wa salatu wa salam ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursaleen, ballagha risalat wa adda al-amana wa naskhatul umma, la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu, lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. Qawluhu ta'ala, idha sa'alaka ibadu anni fa inni qarib ujibu da'watu da'i idha da'ani. After praising the Almighty Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, peace and blessings be to our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, I've read a verse that says, idha sa'alaka ibadu anni fa inni qarib ujibu da'watu da'i idha da'ani. That if they ask you about me, say to them that I'm very near. I answer a call of anyone who calls me. So why do I read this verse here? I realize that most Muslims, we don't believe in supplication. We don't believe that God is the one who changes everything we do, even though he said that he can't change anything apart from yourself. But Qadha is the one who holds that will. Nothing happens without his will. Do you get my point there? Do you get my point out there? That's why every prayer, never run, never leave the mosque, never leave where you're praying for without raising your hands towards Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. We pray so that we can get those blessings of Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. Raise up your hands, and then don't forget, after giving out your supplication, and don't forget the prayer of the Prophet. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Those are one of the things that bring blessings, one of the things that can increase your wealth out there. Keep that into your minds. Dua, supplication, is direct call between you and Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. You're giving all your trust towards Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala feels shy not answering your call. Learn how to call Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, and when you're answered, don't change yourself. Do you get my point out there? There is, at times we do a lot of dua, and then at times we forget doing a lot of dua. Appreciate when you realize that you've been answered, even if you're not answered today, but you will be answered. A dua, God answers any call of someone who calls him. Get in touch with us on www.badru.blogspot.com. Kanzra Records and Entertainment, Arrows Records. Peace and love.